Hello, my name is Brian Serrano, and I'm with Cisco Tech Architecture team. Today, I'll be guiding you through the process of resetting the admin password on Cisco NFVIS using the host image mapping feature in SIMC. It's important to remember that resetting the admin password will result in a temporary loss of connectivity, so plan accordingly. For this example, we'll be using an ENCS 5412 running NFVIS 4.13.1 with SIMC version 3.2.14.14. Let's begin. First, log into the SIMC GUI and click on the navigation panel on the top left, then click on Compute. Next, click on the BIOS tab and then Configure Boot Order. Please make sure the correct boot order is configured where VKVM and SIMC VTVT are at the top. If not, click on Configure Boot Order and move items as needed. Next, click on the Host Image Mapping tab. In this case, we already have the ISO image added, so we have to select the image and then click on Map Selected Image. We will see the host image mapping information updated. Now, we have to power cycle NFVIS. To do so, from the SIMC GUI on the top right, click on Host Power and then Power Cycle. A confirmation window will pop up. Click on OK to confirm. Next, on the top right, click on Launch KVM and then HTML-based KVM. A new tab will be open. Click on the link to continue loading the KVM viewer. We will see a Connecting KVM message on the screen. Then a green No Signal screen. Please be patient. We will also see the initial startup message with the Cisco logo. Please keep waiting. At the Welcome to Cisco NFVIS menu, use the down arrow on your keyboard to select Troubleshooting and press Enter. Press Enter again to select Rescue a NFVIS password. Please wait until you get to the rescue environment. When you get to the following screen, type 1 and press Enter. Then press Enter again to get a shell. Type chroot space /mnt/sysimage and hit Enter. Then /NFVIS_password_reset and hit Enter. This last command resets the admin password. Now, type exit twice and unmount the ISO image by going back to the SIMC GUI on the Host Image Mapping tab and select the image and click on Unmap Image. We will see the image mapping information get updated. Next, reload NFVIS from the SIMC GUI. Again, on the top right, click on Host Power, then Power Cycle, and confirm with OK. Finally, once NFVIS is reachable, log into the NFVIS using the default credentials, admin 123 pound. After you log into NFVIS, you are prompted to enter a new password. Once the new password is configured, you'll see a new admin password is set message, confirming the reset process is complete. If you encounter any issues, please contact Cisco Tech for further assistance. Thank you for watching.